The concept of timekeeping has long been practiced by humans, from utilizing the sun as a standard for timekeeping to using stars and other methods. However, these methods had their limitations as they couldn't be used in certain weather conditions such as cloudy and dark weather. This prompted humans to be more creative in determining a standard time that could be used in all weather conditions. Subsequently, some civilizations began using other timekeeping concepts such as hourglasses and water clocks, which were used as a standard time for an hour. The time standard that we know today, which divides an hour into 60 minutes and a minute into 60 seconds, originated from the ancient Sumerian civilization, which then spread to other civilizations such as ancient Egypt and Greece, based on the perception that a circle consists of 360 degrees of angles. Due to the inflexibility and lack of accuracy of the time standard, people in Europe in the 13th–14th century were motivated to create clocks with gears based on the concept that 1 degree is 1 out of 360 of a circle's angle. In the 14th century, humans succeeded in discovering spring-driven clocks with gears, which were used in churches as a time marker for worship. This discovery continued to develop and evolve into a massive invention of European civilization to the whole world, with the invention of pocket watches by Peter Henlein, which changed people's perspective on time. Several decades later, in the 17th century, Christian Huygens discovered the pendulum clock, which was even more accurate and durable. The use of pocket watches owned by most upper-class Europeans was apparently not suitable for Alberto Santos Dumont, who was a pilot. He felt that pocket watches were quite disturbing while flying. To solve this problem, Louis Cartier, a fashion designer, created a watch that could be worn on the wrist, which we now know as the world's first mechanical watch. Then in 1923, John Harwood of England introduced the first automatic wristwatch that moved on its own thanks to the movement of the wearer's hand. From here, various watch brands emerged that sold automatic watches like the FORSINING Automatic Watches Mechanical Wristwatch Golden for men's skeleton watches with stainless steel transparent dial with royal flower movement carving. The double-sided skeleton transparent design showcases the most vivid mechanical beauty through the sapphire glass. The pendulum swings with the movement of the arm, interlocking gears, and precise mechanical movement record the circulation of time. On this watch, every minute is visible time. The dial adopts precision laser engraving 3D technology and unique engraving patterns to make the watch shine at all times. The stainless steel case is scratch-resistant and durable. The high-quality stainless strap is perfectly matched, making you unique on any occasion. There is no need to worry about the battery being dead, as it is automatic self-winding. Please wind up the watch before everyday usage, and keep the watch away from magnets to ensure it keeps working. It can be a very tasteful gift at weddings and any holiday parties. Got this product in the description. Since then, the development of watches has become increasingly comprehensive to the point where watches are not just used to show time but also as a communication tool, for training, mountaineering, and traveling, which helps people in the world today. International Atomic Time, IAT, is an international standard time used by scientists and technicians around the world. IAT is based on highly accurate time measurements using atomic clocks. IAT is a time system used to coordinate scientific and technological activities, including satellite navigation, telecommunications, and astronomical observations. IAT has excellent stability and high accuracy, making it crucial for many scientific and technological applications. IAT is calculated based on the time of the cesium-133 atom, which vibrates at a very stable frequency and can be measured with great accuracy. IAT is defined as the number of seconds that have elapsed since January 1, 1958, at 0 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, with each IAT second having the same length. IAT is managed by the International Bureau of Weights and Measures, BIPM, in Sèvres, France, and is regularly announced for use by international organizations such as the International Telecommunication Union, ITU, and the International Astronomical Union, IAU. With 1 second equal to 9,192,631,770 vibrations of the cesium-133 atom.